Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble gun. First, carefully remove your new bubble gun from its packaging and check that all parts are included. Next, locate the battery compartment, usually on the handle, and insert the necessary batteries, often 2 or 3 AA batteries. Finally, pour the bubble solution into the small, shallow tray that comes with your bubble gun, filling it about 1/2 to 2/3 full. Now that your bubble solution is ready, it's time to load your bubble gun. Gently dip the front nozzle of the bubble gun into the tray of bubble solution. Make sure the entire nozzle, where the bubbles emerge, is completely submerged for about 3 to 5 seconds. This allows the wands to pick up enough solution. Then, carefully lift the gun, letting any extra solution drip back into the tray. With your bubble gun primed, you're ready for some bubbly fun. Point the gun safely away from people's faces and any delicate objects. Press and hold the trigger firmly. You'll hear a small fan start and see the bubble wands begin to rotate. A continuous stream of bubbles will emerge. To stop, simply release the trigger. For best results, clean the nozzle after each use. To ensure your bubble gun provides endless entertainment, here are a few helpful tips. Always use fresh, good quality bubble solution. This makes a huge difference in bubble quantity and strength. Regularly clean the nozzle and wands with a damp cloth to prevent sticky residue buildup. When you're finished, store your bubble gun and solution in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.